Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe, another Nigeria popular recipe, jollof rice. Oh my god, can you see how delicious this jollof rice is? If you want to know how I prepare this jollof, carry your chair and sit down. Let's go into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Mother's Creativities. You are highly welcome. In today's video, we are going to be making one of our popular recipe. I mean one of Africa popular recipe, what we know as party jollof rice. Oh my god, I can't wait to make this party jollof rice. Please, if you want to know, please don't forget to stay tuned to this video. You cannot wait to see this delicious party jollof rice. Without taking much of your time, I will just introduce the ingredients first. First, we have our red bell pepper, and our onions, and 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be blending them, but I just have to introduce them first. I have my chopped onions and my porridge, my fresh porridge and onions. And this is my turkey stock. This is it. I have boiled the meat because I don't want us to take time in this video at all. So you know how we boil meat. You can use all the ingredients you want to boil your meat with. Make sure you make everything available in this stock, like curry, thyme, everything you like in your meat. Just put them and you are going to come out with this kind of stuff. And this is my steamed tomatoes. I have steamed meats. I don't want it to take time as well. I just prepare everything down. You can see this. So this is my nutmeg that I'm going to be adding to it. This one is for the aroma. Without this, there is no jollof rice. I mean this one. This leaf gave it that flavor that you are looking for in jollof rice. And you can see I have my 2 Maggi cube, or seasoning Maggi cube. This is my curry powder. And this is my salt. This is my thyme, and I would like to show you what I added to it. Rosemary leaf. I add rosemary leaf to it. Rosemary. I add ginger and black pepper. So item is what you are just seeing here. I just mix it little and I place it in one place. And this is my vegetable oil that I'm going to be using. You can see the amount of the ground oil I will be using. And this is my butter. I'm going to be using this butter. I do love this butter in my jollof rice. It's very good. I hope you can see all this. So this is what we are going to be using for this party jollof rice. And this is my rice. This is the rice I'm going to be cooking. So these are the ingredients that we are going to be using. If today is your first time coming across this face and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that button, subscribe, and put on the notification bell in case anytime we upload new video, you will be the first to notify. Do you know, I am so happy to do this because thank you so much, mommy. Thank you. I would have loved to mention your name, but I did not seek for permission to do that, so I would just appreciate you. Thank you for requesting for this recipe, and I am so glad you are loved, mommy. This is how we need to encourage our brothers and sisters in this YouTube. Just whatever you want me to do, just leave it at the comment section and I'm going to get back to you. I am so happy to give you this recipe, mommy. I so much appreciate you. May God Almighty bless you. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. I love you all. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Let's not take much time. Let's just go into this video. First of all, I'm going to be putting my kento on fire, and if there is any question you want to ask me, don't forget to leave it as well in the comment section below. Feel free, we are one in this family. Stay tuned, guys. My onions and the bell pepper have been blended, so I will go ahead and place my pot in the fire. And this is my rice. This is the rice I'm going to be making. I will go ahead and pour the rice inside a big bowl. You can see I've transferred the rice inside a big bowl. I have my hot water here. I'm going to be adding salt into my rice. I will go ahead and pour the hot water on top of the rice. I will go ahead and cover the rice before I wash it out. So my pot is dry. I will add my onions. Don't allow it to too hot so that the onions will not get burned. We are going to allow the onions to done for some minutes so that it will change that brown color. And if you have any recipe in your mind you want me to bring out for you, please leave it at the comment section. I will be so glad to give you the recipe. So guys, you can see my onions have the color I am looking for already. I will go ahead and add my steamed tomato. I will also add my blended onions, bell pepper to it. I will add my nutmeg immediately so that everything is going to done together. I will add my curry powder. I will also add my salt, my thyme, and every other ingredient that I have introduced to you already. I will add my 2 Maggi cube because this rice is a little bit much. I'm going to stir everything together. Tomato paste is mixed with my tomatoes already. So we are going to leave it to dawn for a while. I will cover it and go ahead and wash out my rice. So guys, our tomatoes have been cooking for a while now. You can see this. I will go ahead and add the leaf. You can add this later after the rice is about to done. You can also add it before you add the rice. Anytime you want to put your leaf, you can put it as well. I will add my washed rice. Before I go ahead to add my rice, I will just bring out a little tomatoes out of it. I don't know if it will be much. If it's not enough, I can also pour it later. You can see it. I will remove this aside. I will add the remaining rice. Make sure you stir very well so that all the stew will mix with the rice. I will go ahead and add my meat stock. We are going to cover it for 2 to 3 minutes before I will add the foil paper to cover it for. You can see the rice have been cooking for just a few minutes because I want it to get hot before I'm going to cover it with the foil paper. This is the issue of jollof. It gets burnt so easy. Make sure you cover your food with the back, not the front. You cover it with the back. So this is it. We are going to cover it and continue with the cooking. So let's check the rice. You have, when you are cooking jollof rice, you have to be checking it always because jollof rice is Can you see this, guys? We are almost getting close to the jollof rice. This is why you need to remove tomatoes in case if it's much or if it will not be enough. You can have extra to add later, but this one I don't think it really needs extra. But let's continue. Let's see how it goes. Just turn it very well so that you should not have some undone rice inside your jollof rice. Remember, we have the last ingredient that we have not added, that is butter. We are going to leave that one for later. Make sure you reduce your gas. You give it a low heat at this time. We are going to turn it right now. This is so good. There's no need of me adding the tomatoes anymore. You can see the color of the jollof is okay. I'll go ahead and add my butter. You can see the amount of the butter I added. This is it, almost half. So I'm going to cover it so that the butter will melt into the rice. Hi guys, we are at the end of the cooking. Oh my god. I'll go ahead and remove the leaf. You can see the butter is not much because you know butter contains a lot of fat. You can see how delicious this food is. So dry, and it had that jollof rice aroma and the color as well. You can rate me on this. Before I transfer it into my bowl, I will put my fresh onions. I'll just go ahead and put these onions and mix it together. If you don't like fresh onions, you can skip the fresh onions. This is the end of this video. If you like this video and you enjoy what you just watched, please do give it a huge thumbs up. Just free that thumbs up for this video. Subscribe if you have just been watching, you have not yet subscribed. Share this video. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.